Hello, my friends. I welcome all of you back to my Southern Kitchen and the 7th episode of Ellen's Fall Baking Series 2023. Today, I'm going to share with all of y'all an apple recipe that is the ultimate fall treat. We're going to make apple fritters. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious. We're going to fry them to golden perfection and coat them in a simple, easy glaze. How yummy does that sound? These are full of apple goodness and everybody's going to love and enjoy these. These screams fall. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And for more apple recipes, check out my apple recipes playlist and my previous video, caramel apple bundt cake. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your apples, your spices, and get your oil heating up, sugar, because we're about to fry some apple fritters magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep our apples. Over here, I have 2 large Granny Smith apples, or you can use Golden Delicious or Honey Crisp, whatever your heart desires. So we're going to core them, or you can peel them first. So we're going to use my apple core. Going to gently pull it down like so. Just like that. Remove the middle. And we're going to gently peel the skin off. And be careful not to cut your fingers. Just like that. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and finish with the rest of my apples and I'll bring you back. Alrighty, my friends, I'm through peeling and coring my apples. So now we're going to dice them. Just like that. Beautiful chunks. So now we're going to set our diced apples aside while we work on the filling. In my large bowl, I have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. And into our flour, we're going to add in 1/4 cup of white sugar. And my leavenings and spices. 2 teaspoons of baking powder. 1/2 teaspoon of regular table salt. 1/2 teaspoons of ground cinnamon. And 1/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. Going to give these dry ingredients a quick whisk until they're well blended. Or you can sift these if you like. Alrighty, so now I'm going to make a well in the center. Now we're going to add in our wet ingredients. 3 tablespoons of applesauce. 2 extra large eggs. 1/3 cup of my favorite milk, evaporated milk, and I added 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and 1 teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. And give it a quick whisk until everything's well combined. Smells good. Love the smell of cinnamon and nutmeg. Love the fall spices. Alright, my friends, now we're going to add in our diced apples. And fold them in. Alrighty, our batter is complete. So now we're going to set it aside while we heat up some oil. In my cast iron skillet, I have some canola oil. And it's nice and hot. Got it to 375 degrees. So using my 1/4 cup measurement, going to dollop the batter like so. And gently scoop it into the hot oil. Yeah, you hear that sizzle? That's what you want. And be careful not to overcrowd the pan. I'm going to put one more in. So we're going to let it fry for about 2 minutes. Alrighty, my friends, been 2 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, nice and golden brown. They don't take long to fry. Alrighty, I'm going to finish cooking the fritters on the other side and the rest, and I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through frying my apple fritters. And it smells heavenly. I place them onto my wire rack lined with aluminum foil and paper towels to drain the grease. Now it's time to give them some sugar. Over here, I made a glaze. 2 cups of powdered sugar, a 1/4 of a cup of evaporated milk, and a 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. And I stir all them together until they're well combined. So we're going to take an apple fritter. Just going to dunk it into the glaze on both sides, like so. And then place it onto the wire rack and drip off the excess and let it air dry. Alright, as soon as I get through dunking my apple fritters into the glaze, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern apple fritters. Don't that look good? And the glaze is nice and hardened. And I'll place them onto my cake platter. Oh, my mouth's watering. So now I'm about to fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alrighty, now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. Look at that texture. It's perfectly cooked. And the apple's nice and tender. I can taste the spices. And that glaze is awesome. These are phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Apple fritter-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. And don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemadedelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat and much love.